Listen to the story I'm about to tell. Another tale about that Yale. Little girl once innocent and sweet. 14 introduced to the street. Started from weed, big smoke outs. Before you could exhale, blunt in your mouth. Champagne, glue you blue. Now you need something else to do. A new how to try, a new place to go. Introduced to the A to the yo. House full of girls, old and young. Played on the table, taking one-on-ones. Used dollar bills just to snort the lines. You see the big girls do it, so of course it's fine. Cocaine then forced on your mind. Not blow, then they blow in your time.
Ayo, for yayo. Walk around with yayo. All in my nasal, I must have been crazy. Ayo, for yayo. Walk around with yayo. All in my nasal, I must have been crazy.
Chopping and copping the kicks, supplying people with they fix. Where you fit, on Fillmore Street is where you sit. Don't go in the house till you move a zip. Work the day and night shift. To stay awake, a nigga might sniff. Not too much, cause you might slip. Instead of 28, you could get 26. Keep a gat in the pack, in the sock, take a couple of tubes, then it's back to the block. Back to the service, out the sack, experimenting with that salt. Wonder about that crack, huh? One try, another try without a doubt. Papered out, always at the Potter House. Daytime, nighttime, nigga potted out. Could've been a papered up powerhouse.
Ayo, for yayo. Walk around with yayo. All in my nasal, I must have been crazy. Ayo, for yayo. Walk around with yayo. All in my nasal, I must have been crazy.
Like you and I, super high like Superfly. One more line, one more rhyme like Peruvian fine. I can keep you down or get you high. You like to blow like Boston George. You want some more for you and your horse? I kick off wars. I get behind walls of corporate doors. Executive no sword.